Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri on your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. You have to start by opening the application and now go to the gesture. And you can add voice assistant for just press and hold. So decide you want to use the left one or right one. I will go in with the left one, but it's the same with the right one. Now click right here and choose voice assistant. Now the touch areas located right here. So I will put it to my ear and I will show it to you. Now I will press and hold on my left earbud. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.